Hi Tank, have a leaf blower here. I've seen these vortex cannon type adapters that you can buy that supposedly really increase the output of the airflow. I have here the vacuum adapter, which I never use. I'm going to see if I can cut it up a little bit and make a vortex adapter for this leaf blower. Let's see how this works out. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off this extension piece because I don't want the leaf blower to be too long. This is kind of, there we go. Now I will take this piece, which is what I'll make my vortex out of. Okay, so in theory, all I have to have is an opening for the extra air to get sucked in. The velocity of this air will create a kind of a jet stream effect or vortex effect and suck more air in this way. Ultimately, we'll have a lot more air going out that way. So I've got some, happen to have some long bolts here. I'm going to drill holes straight through two directions and put some spacer nuts in there. Going to try to suspend this out kind of like this. We'll see how it works out. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this excess material here. I'm going to go over to the miter saw and just cut that off clean right there. Okay, now I'm going to drill a hole straight through here and here and there, offset them so the bolts don't collide. Have a seam here, so I'll use that. This is doesn't have to be precise at all. So if I'm going across there, I'll try to make it straight across best I can. Yep. Actually can't. So we'll just do a rough measurement here. Very rough. We'll just put a mark here where the center of this hole is. Right there. Come around the other side. And right there's where I want to go. Really doesn't have to be even this precise, but since I'm making a video, I'll act like I know what I'm doing a little bit. Okay. Perfect. I'll go through that way. I think I'll go a little deeper. My mark. I have a mark here. I will go, that hole's there, I'm going to go down to 2 1/4 on this one. On the other side, I'll go same, 2 1/4. So good. Now I'll have to make matching holes here. And it doesn't matter where, but we'll just start out here. First hole, go straight through. Don't even know if this is on camera. Barely on camera, sorry about that. So now, with a set of holes going straight through, I can hold it in place. Okay. Now I can get my other set of holes coming through this way. Just that will be like that. And you know what? I can test it just like this. If it works, we'll make it more permanent. If it works, we'll do it, we'll cut that off, make it into small thread, put nuts on both sides of the plastic, space it out where it doesn't move. But let's go see if it does anything. I'd say that myth is busted. Kind of thought if it was a great idea that the leaf blower manufacturers would be selling that as an attachment on their leaf blowers. So if you see those little vortex things online, I don't believe it. I can't prove that it works.